Hello, hello, hello. Hey, thanks for joining me. I am Rhonda with Rhonda Gage's Creations, and I just want to know if now what this is a crochet Q&A. So, what kind of hobby is crochet? Crocheting is a fun hobby that allows you to make beautiful, unique, and practical creations. Plus, it's good for you. Once you have a handle on a few different stitches and techniques, crocheting can be meditative, relaxing, which can reduce stress and anxiety. However, there's a learning curve for any new hobby. So here is a fillet. It helps if I show it the right way. A fillet heart shawl. Very pretty. Here is like a Navajo blanket. Over there on the door is Sesame Street blanket. So you can make all different kinds of things. So tell me, what kind of projects, dishcloths, hot pads, shawls, blankets, things that you want to see. Thank you. Have a good day.